Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivy. So as part of keeping safe, I want to be teaching us how to cut a reversible face mask. So like this video, drop some comments, and also very important, subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ivy. So as part of keeping safe, I want to teach us how to make your own face mask. You can make as many as possible, one for Monday, one for Tuesday, one for Wednesday. Yes, as many as possible. So what you need, these things are the things you can easily get in your house. You need a ruler or a paper, whichever one you have. You need a paper, just a sheet of paper to draw your pattern. You need a fabric, you need an elastic, and of course a scissors. So we'll go ahead and draw the pattern now. We are going to be using centimeters. So we'll draw 12.5 inches centimeters by 11 centimeters. So here we'll draw 12.5. So we have 12.5 here, 11 here, 11 here, and 12.5 centimeter. So on this 12.5 line, we are going to be measuring. We measure 2.5 centimeters. You mark it. You mark this point. You can name it A. Come down, mark 3.5. You can name this B. Come down, mark another 3.5. You can make this C. So what you have left is 3 centimeters. So on this 11 centimeters, you come here, you measure 9 centimeters. You can make this, you start at C, we can make this D. Down here, you come here, you measure 7 centimeters. Yes, so we make this E. So we have 2.5, 3.5, 3.5, and 3 here. Here we have, from here to here is 9, from here to here is 7. Everything in centimeter. So this is your B. You connect it with a straight line to meet this other line here. Okay, so you connect your E and your C with a ruler, like a straight line. After doing this, all you need to do now is connect this your D with this line with a gentle curve. Use a gentle curve. Just like what I did here. With a gentle curve, you connect this place with this place also with another gentle curve. Okay, so what's left now is to connect this with your A. Connect your D with your A. Just label it the way I labeled mine and follow the instructions. So you come like this, connect it with your A like this. So this is your pattern. The pattern we are going to cut. We are not going to cut it like this. We are going to be adding the necessary sewing allowance. You can go ahead and cut it like this and transfer it on your fabric, or you get your sewing allowance here before transferring it to your fabric. So we are going to add about 1 centimeter each on each side to get a sewing allowance. So we are just going to go. Well, this is what we are going to follow, this red line. Okay, so we are going to follow this red line and go ahead and cut. So what we are going to do now is we are going to be cutting 4 pieces of this pattern. We are going to cut 2 from this fabric and we are going to cut another 2 from this fabric. So go ahead and cut now with this. So just place it on it. You can just hold it in place, or you put something, or use something to hold it in place. So we'll go ahead and cut now. Okay, so we are done cutting. So we have 2 of this and also 2 of this. Take note, if you are cutting like mine, you are cutting 2 fabrics, make sure that you don't cut the same, like you don't cut the same fabric of the same side. Make sure they are opposite side. So we'll go ahead, we'll join this place together like this. You also go ahead and join this place together like. Okay, so we are done joining. We join these 2 together and also these 2 together. So the next thing is to go ahead and join, combine it like this, right sides together. Then we'll go ahead and join these places together, except this place and this place. We are going to leave this place open, but we'll join this place and also join this place together. Okay, so we have joined these places together. So we are going to go ahead and turn it inside out. Okay, so we have turned it inside out. You can press it to make it smooth. So after this, you go ahead and cut your elastic. We are going to be cutting 6 inches each for the elastic. So this is 6 inches. We'll divide this into 2. So each of this elastic is 6 inches. So we are going to come here like this. We are going to fold this inside. Yes, we're going to fold it inside. While folding it, we add one end of the elastic here, while we add the other here, the other end of the elastic here. We'll sew it. We do that to the other side. So I'll sew and show you now. Okay, so we are done sewing. This is the fixed marks. You can wear this side out. You can also wear this side out, depending on wherever you want to wear. So while sewing this place, make sure you back stitch. And also, if you don't have a sewing machine, this is something you can easily do with a needle and thread. It's very easy and it's stylish. Yes, you can just, the face mask can serve 2 purposes. While I wear this clothes, you can wear this. So I'll put this on now and show us. Thank you. Make sure to like this video, drop some comments, and also subscribe to this channel. There we go. So you can also wear it this way. As you can see, it's stylish. So like this video, drop some comments, and also very important, subscribe to this channel. So until I see you in my next video, bye and stay safe.